Hello! Craft haul time! Yeah, there's a few. I've had them a while, so, you know, they're not in packaging or anything, but yeah, man. I had to buy them. I gave in. Not quite a centre ruler, but a metal one all the same. Yeah. I posted quite a while back in the craft groups, the junk journaling crafting groups, saying if you was a metal edged centre ruler, where would you hide yourself? Because I bought one and then can't find it anywhere. I have checked everywhere. I have even followed everybody's suggestions, even though I know it's not under the desk because the desk's been moved twice since I lost it. I know it's not under the desk. I know it's not under the mats because I've done everything. I've looked in the wardrobe. I've looked everywhere. I've looked in my pyjama drawer. I've even looked in my knicker drawer like somebody suggested. Nope. And yeah, I can't find it anywhere, guys, and it's really annoying me because I need the metal edge to use my craft knife. So I'm not buying another one. I point blank refuse to buy another one of that specific ruler because I know when I do, it'll turn up, or I'll have an epiphany in the middle of the night going, I know where it is. It hasn't happened yet, but you know, I live in hope. So I thought, no, I'm not buying one. So instead, I bought these. A set of 3 just metal rulers from Amazon. And it came, as I said, I was going to buy one. I was going to buy the 12-inch rule, and I thought, well, hang on a minute, because the 12-inch rule was, I can't remember. I actually honestly don't know how much these were. I can't remember. It weren't much. I think they were about $6.99 or $7.99 for the set, but just one ruler was, I think, about £5 or something like that. $3.99 or $4.99. I thought, well, hang on a minute, for a couple of extra quid I can get a set of 3. So I did. So I've got a 6-inch one. I have got a 12-inch one. I work in inches. Yeah, I've got a 12-inch one and then a 16-inch one. They were all a set, so like I said, they all came together. This one is intact. I have been actually using these, so what I did, because I stand them up in a pen holder, when I stand them up that way, I'm having to fight with the end to try and get it in and out. So I've just chopped across the ends there, so they stick out a little bit easier. It's just easier to get them in and out. And actually I put them in that way. I put them back in. They're actually quite sharp on the edges, you know. I put them in that way because I can get hold of them that way. Anyway, I haven't used this big one yet. That's why I haven't done anything with it. But I do use these two quite a lot. So yes, guys, I got them. I haven't had an epiphany yet thinking, oh, I've just bought myself some metal rulers. Oh, I found the other one. I haven't. So, you know, I live in hope that I will find it. I can get it back in the packet if I put it in the right way around. So, yes, and like I said, I have been using them, so I'm glad I bought them. And I'll be even happier when the centre ruler does actually eventually turn up, because it is what it is. It's a centre ruler, so it's got the 0 in the middle and then 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch at either side, so you can line it up, you know, and get it to find the centre. So it will come in useful when I find it. So I got them, and then I got a tab punch. Now, this, I love it. Absolutely love it. But I've had one before. Can't remember which video it is, but I've done a previous mail time craft haul video on this tab punch where it didn't work. Yeah, you can see me in the video really pushing down on it. Nothing. Didn't even hardly dented the paper. But I got in touch with them, they gave me my money back and just keep the tab punch, it's no use, you know, don't bother sending it back, it'll be more than your trouble's worth, it's no use, if it doesn't work, keep it, we'll refund you, which they did, no problems that way, I'll give them the due that way, amazing. But yeah, but then I was very reluctant to even try buying another one, but I did. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I did, because it's amazing, love it, love it, and I have used it galore. So really, really pleased with that. Again, Amazon purchase. Most of these are. In fact, all of these are. Yeah, all of these are an Amazon purchase. So yeah, love that. Jumped on the bandwagon and got some Oohoo sticks of glue because I can't find them in the shops around here. I can find Oohoo wet glue and other glues, but not glue sticks. Not the Oohoo or Yoo-hoo, whatever. Oohoo. Thirdman calls it Oohoo, so yeah, so I got myself some of them. I think there's either 12. I think there's 12, not sure. Again, Amazon. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, right then, sorry, 10, not 12, there's 10. Oh, it tells me the pack of 10. But yeah, so I got some Oohoo glue sticks. I've had this in my basket for ages. It is a butterfly focus. There you go. It is a butterfly wax seal. Oh, it's amazing. Love it. Love it. I already have a rose one. I already have a logo one, which if you go back through some videos, you will find. I love that one, although my logo has actually, my business logo has actually since changed, but it's okay, I will still use the wax seal. I won't buy another one just yet because I want to get use out of that one first before I do, but I will be buying another one. But my logo involves a butterfly and a rose, so, you know, I already have a rose one, I figured I need a butterfly one. So, for individual ones. So I got that on Amazon too. That was a single purchase one. And then I got these tins. But these are tins with the plastic window in. And according to Foodman, they were cheap. Which they probably are, considering they've got the plastic window in, which is really cool because I can see what's in them. But I was a little bit like, you know, I was expecting them to be bigger, maybe a little wider that way, maybe a little deeper. There are, I think there's 6, no, there's, why is there only 9? There should be 10. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, there is 10, I can't count. There's 10, and it was, I think they were $12.99, I think, for 10. Something. But you are quite literally paying for the window in it, because I've ordered some more of these without the windows. They are just tins, and I got 12 for £9, £8.99. They haven't come yet, and this is what I wanted them for, because I've been fussy cutting like crazy woman. I treated myself to Tracie Fox's digitals the other day when she had a sale on, and I have been fussy cutting like crazy, but I needed somewhere to put them. So I bought her butterfly kit, her toadstool kit, her flower kit, and some of these I already had actually. Her label kit. That's the one that I purchased, the antiquity kit. I already had these ones, which I can't remember what they are, just labels. But yeah, I purchased her antiquity kit. So I fussy cutted them like crazy. That was, oh, not a kit at all, that was some scrapbooking paper. Don't know why they're in there. And then these ones were actually freebies from Mary Walden, she's called, in Andrea's, Artie Maze's Artie May's group, Artie May's and Friends group, and she made these in, I believe she said publisher, and she was offering them free for people to use from the group, mind. So of course I printed them out and made use of them. Thank you, Mary, they're amazing. And wow, guys, I'm gonna do a video actually. I am actually going to do a video because she's just in the group offered up some more freebies. Oh my gosh, digitals. Oh my gosh, guys, they are awesome. Awesome, awesome. Wow. Oh, honestly, you know, the generosity of people in this community just never fails, never ceases to amaze me. It really doesn't. But yeah, like I said, basically paying the extras to have the clear windows in. And I pulled my face a little bit, but Thideman's like, you know, Vic, for what they are, you know, they are cheap. That is cheap for them, because he uses these kind of things a lot, for screws and stuff like that, down unit. So, you know, pulling my face probably wasn't the best thing. So I will probably bite the bullet at some stage and buy some more, because it is handy being able to see through them. They didn't come in the plastic tub, I just stacked them up in there, because that's the point to get. That was the point in getting them, to put them in these tubs on the shelf. So that's them. And then, oh, there it is. This came this morning, which I'd forgotten about, which is a set of ribbon banners, die cuts. So really looking forward to using them actually, especially on book pages. I mean, I can cut them, don't get me wrong, but I'm lazy. And they will work in my little, oh yeah, I'll finish what I'm saying. These will work in my little Aldi die cutter. Speaking of which, I did probably quite a really poor review. Wasn't paid, but you know what I'm like. I do my hauls like this, and I do my mail times, and I review what I purchase like I'm doing now. I don't get paid. I am not promoted to do it. I am not affiliated with them or anything. A while back, I bought some craft stuff from Aldi when they had a craft event, some more cutting boards, some more other bits and bats, and they were selling mini die cuts, which is pretty much, I've learnt since, had pretty much the same size as the Sizzix Sidekick die cutting machine, which I wasn't aware of. I've got the Sizzix Big Shot. Anyway, it still works out slightly cheaper, but anyway, I loved it that much I went back and bought another one. But yeah, and I did a review on it, like I said. Wasn't paid to do it, just something I do like I'm doing right this minute. And the other day I got a screenshot from a friend. I was actually at the gym. It was on Monday because I was at the gym. She sent me a screenshot saying, oh my god, look at your video. So I'm thinking, oh god, what? Oh no, what? Someone left a nasty comment. Have I been trolled again? I'm like, oh, for God's sake. And I'm at the gym, so I'm thinking, I really don't want to go home and look at this. I opened it up, and she sent me the screenshot, and I looked, I'm like, what? That video alone has 1.2 thousand views on it. Just that one video. 1.2. Actually, it's gone up since then. It's bordering 1.3 thousand views on that video alone. I can't believe it. Probably not one of the worst videos I've done, but of all the videos I've done, it has to be that one. The review didn't quite go to plan because I was trying to do it one hand. You know, everything were all over the place, and I'm like, seriously? You know, I could have done that way better than it was. But yeah, 1.2.5, nearly 1.3 thousand views. Thank you guys. Honestly, I don't know how it's been getting so many views. YouTube must have actually been suggesting it. You know, like when you look at one review video, it gives you extra suggestions down the side. It must have been being suggested. But wow. Yeah, I wish my other videos would do that well. Seriously. Unbelievable. But that is it for this review video. It is, yeah. Not review video, honestly, I've got review stuck in my head. Craft haul video. So yeah, these are my latest treats. Like I need any more craft supplies. So yes, these were my most recent treats. I've been on spending ban for a while. I put myself on spending bans. Third man doesn't. I put myself on spending bans, although sometimes he does. Like, really? So yeah, sometimes, you know, sometimes it's justified. But yeah, so this is my latest haul because I've been quite good spends wise lately. So, the Tracie kits were the last treats. So yeah, my latest craft haul. I really hope that ruler does turn up soon. So, thank you for watching, guys. Nothing really special, just my latest haul, little goodies. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a really good day. I hope you come back soon, and I will see you soon. Bye.